Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluestacks crashes. So first of all, we want to go to the three lines here, click on settings, and if your processor has more than 4 cores, you should choose high. If you have 2 cores, you should choose medium, and for anything below that, you should choose low. How do you know how many cores you have? So click on your taskbar, right click on it, click on Task Manager, go to Performance, and as you can see, click on your processor. You can see here how many cores you have. I have 6, and also while we're at it, we can check how much RAM we have. So click on memory and it says 11.9, so that's 12, or it could be 8 or 16 or 32. For memory allocation, you need to choose. If you have 12, you need 16. You'll need to choose high. If you have 8, you need to choose improved for gigabyte. And below that, you need to choose the lowest options. So for me, I have to choose 4. After that, you'll need 12. Any of these options are enabled, you'll need to disable them and click Save Changes. Next, when we go to graphics, you need to choose OpenGL, DirectX, and Vulkan. So for NVIDIA, choose OpenGL. For VUL4 AMD, choose Vulkan. And for a versatile solution, it's DirectX. So if you're not sure whether you have an NVIDIA OEM or AMD card, choose DirectX. Also, it shows here which graphics card you have. Next, you need to choose your device. So use the Swing 2 Ultra because it's the best option and doesn't have many issues. And it indicates that your Bluestacks should work well. What you can do next is close it. Don't forget to save all the changes as well. And when you launch Bluestacks, click on Run as Administrator. Click on it. We'll need to click Yes. And that's it. That's all. I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.